Hello kids, how are you all doing today? Great. What me? I'm very happy today. Guess what? I'm meeting you after long time. Yes. So today in the class we are going to learn about rainbow. Yeah, before that, we are going to meet our good old friend, Mr. Maui. Hello, Maui. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you all kids?
Good. So, Maui, today we all are going to learn about rainbows. We are just going to see how the rainbow is formed and how many colors are there in the rainbow. And guess what? We are going to make our own rainbow at our home. Get ready. So, first, we are going to just learn about how the magical rainbow is formed. Yes, come with me to learn about how the rainbow is formed.
It was a bright sunny day. I was looking through the window to see the sky. All of a sudden, I heard a huge sound of the thunder. It was like breaking the clouds. To my surprise, it started to rain and I felt very happy and excited. I was able to hear the sound of raindrops splashing the grass. Once the rain stopped for a while, the sky looked bright and the sun peeped out. Do you know the sun and the rain are best friends like you and me? Yes, when they meet together, the magical friendship happens, which is the rainbow. It is like the light from the sun gets through the raindrop and bends, which is called as refraction, and gets reflected back with different colors, which forms the rainbow. Do you know how many colors are there in the rainbow? Yes, kids, there are 7 colors in the rainbow, and they are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet.
So, kids, did you learn how the rainbow is formed? Yes, good. And now, do you know how many colors are there in the rainbow? Yes, it is red, orange, yellow, green, indigo, blue, and violet. Yes, there are 7 colors in the rainbow. Yes, now shall we do our own rainbow at our home? Yes, come with me for the experiment. To make our rainbow, we will need a jug of water, a plain paper, and a torchlight or flashlight like this. So, shall we see our rainbow? Yes. Now, what we have to do is that place the jug of water above the paper and keep the flashlight near the jug of water and move the light until you see a rainbow. Can you able to see a rainbow? I could able to see the rainbow. Can you see a rainbow now? Can you able to see it? Yes, rainbow. So we have made our own rainbow at home. So now this flashlight acts as the sunlight and this jug of water is like the raindrop, and once the sunlight touches the raindrop, like the light goes through the water, the light bends and it gets break down into different colors. That's why the rainbow is formed. Yes. Just try this experiment with your parents' help and just tell me how is your rainbow formed. Hey, did we get our rainbow at home? Yes. So today we just learned about how the rainbows are formed and how many colors are there in the rainbow, and we made our own rainbow at our home. So elders, if you love this video, give me a big thumbs up and follow me on Insta handle for further preschool learning ideas. Okay, so I will see you in the next class. Until bye bye from Miss Pragalpa. Bye bye. Bye.